Okay, here we are inside my 3039R tractor, and yeah, I recently had my 72-inch deck installed about a month ago. I've been meaning to shoot some video, but if you are ever interested in possibly buying something like this, you can at least see what it looks like mowing and how it sounds. It cuts really nice. So let me try and get some footage here for you and go from there. So the mower deck is a hydraulic unit that brings the deck up and down. So, and when you want to go back up, you have to push this as the PTO is engaged. You have to hold it when you hit your reverse pedal to back up. So I wanted to at least point that out to you. All right. Back to mowing. I'm not sure how this is going to come out. It's pretty windy out here. So here we are, another day later. As I was filming yesterday, pop-up thunderstorm came overhead, and I was like, great. So here we are the next following day. So I'm going to take you around and kind of show you how the mower deck operates on these. Bring it up. go outside. Show you where. Don't fall on my face. This is where you make your adjustment for your mower height. So I got it's at the highest setting right now. Or let me rephrase that. I brought the deck up to the highest setting, and if you want to adjust it, so I know where mine is. It's on the fourth one on the bottom. So you would take this out, and then you can make all your adjustments with this unit. You have to play around with it for a while till you feel, you know, where you got your lawn at a comfortable height for you. Mine with this setting right here is 4 inches, so that's where I like to keep mine. So we'll put that. Trying to hold the phone and do this is there it goes. Goes back in and got it locked. Yeah. So yeah, you can put it in any one of these holes. It took me about 10 minutes to fine tune it to where I wanted it, and once you get it set, I mean, I'm happy with that. Okay. So coming up front, you can see I have a snow blower set up for this machine. So what they do is they put this bracket in here where most of the machines will not have that. Since I live up in the snow belt, so that's what they do. They leave the hydraulic unit in place, and then they put in this bracket setup. And I have not messed with that yet, so I know going forward I will plan on doing a video on disassembling that and all that fun stuff. Okay. So here's your hookup for your mower deck. It's just the one line, and wherever it goes to, I really don't know. But that's your mower deck hydraulic setup. Okay, I'm going to wrap up the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you found that pretty cool as far as the footage I got for you, and a brief explanation of how the mower deck works. Going forward, I will have another video coming out at some time with removing that and installing it, so hopefully I'll get that done here soon. Other than that, I really do appreciate you sticking it out and watching. If you consider subscribing, that would be wonderful, or even hitting the like button, that'd be great too. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.